Hi everyone, Camry with Craft-e-Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to cut and apply Cricut vinyl. So starting off in Design Space, we'll start a new project and upload our SVG. So now that we have that, we can adjust the design as much as we want. I'm going to take away the heart image from there, so I'll just click on the right side and press the delete key on my keyboard. And then we're going to select the whole thing and make it white. And we want to make the design one whole piece, so we're going to highlight everything, combine, and weld together. Then we're going to click Make It on the top right. We'll be using a mat today. And this will show you what the size will be like on your actual Cricut cutting mat. So you can press Continue. And it's going to ask you to select your material. So now you'll see your Cricut Maker have a flashing button on it that indicates to load your material in it. So now we're going to put our vinyl on the cutting mat. I have some scrap vinyl, so I'm just going to cut a little bit off. So I'm going to place it on the top left corner and make sure the glossy side is faced up. You can also use a scraper if you have one, just to make sure that it's down. Now that we have our material set, we can insert our mat and press the button. So the Cricut Maker is just going to be checking the length of the cutting mat and the vinyl just to make sure that there's enough for cutting. And then you'll see the flashing button right there. We can press that to start cutting. So we're going to take a little bit off the corner so we can grab it. And you're going to flip it over and bend the mat so the vinyl doesn't curl. Then since it's a simple design, we can just actually peel the whole vinyl off. And there's our design. So now we're going to be using some transfer tape. I'm just going to measure it out a bit and cut off what I need. And what transfer tape does is it will take the vinyl off of the background and we can apply it to anywhere we want. off the clear layer and it has a sticky side to it, you'll put that on top of the vinyl. Use a scraper to make sure that it's on there well. And when you pull it off, the vinyl should just come right with it. So now we have our vinyl on transfer tape. And we can just put it back on the scrap. So now that we have that, we can grab our guitar. And we're gonna use a lint roller to grab the dust and debris from the area that we want to put the vinyl on. This will cause for the vinyl to stick better on the surface. It works really well on objects that are hard and flat. So now we can take the vinyl and place it where we want. Make sure not to place it down right away, just to make sure that you can position it how you want. So we want to lay it down as flat as possible. Use your scraper and scrape it down as best as you can. Make sure to get between each crevices as well. And we'll just peel it back. And it sticks to the guitar. Very simple, very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.